Hello again, my beautiful friends and YouTube family. Today I wanted to talk about one word that you should throw away and never bring back into your vocabulary. So let's go. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. You got me singing. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way, oh, way, oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. MsDaanish. So one word that I recommend everybody throw away from their vocabulary, it is one of the most defeating words, and I didn't even realize that I used it so much until a few years ago. I was speaking about some projects that I was working on, and someone pointed out to me that I kept using this word, and every time that I kept using this word, it just made me feel so defeated, and it made me lose confidence. And that word is trying. When you are talking to somebody about a project that you're working on, or a goal that you're working towards, throw away the word trying. You can say, I'm trying to raise money for this project. I am trying to lose weight. I'm trying to meet my goals. I'm trying this or that. It's so defeating. So replace that word trying with actively taking steps. When you say, I am actively taking steps to raise money, and this is how you can help, or I am actively taking steps to lose weight, and here's what I'm doing, or I am actively taking steps to live a healthier lifestyle, here's how. That automatically puts you in a place of empowerment. It puts you in a place of confidence. It not only that, but it also triggers your brain to know that whatever you say after that, I'm actively taking steps, that you are really doing that thing. So that is the one word, trying. Throw it away. Don't revisit it. It is self-defeating. And who wants to live like that? We want to live fulfilled lives, right? Happy lives. And when you replace that word, trying, with actively taking steps, you automatically feel more empowered. Try it out today and let me know how it works for you and how that feels. Just that one shift, how that feels to you. Okay? I am signing off. You see I got beautiful company in the background. Lots and lots of deer here. They're not bothering me. I'm not bothering them. We are enjoying each other's company. So until next time, thanks for listening. Let's change the world together by changing ourselves from within.